This is the brand new Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus with little King Kong quality, durable. Then its invitation is a multifunctional hammer, which can be used as a knife to open beer bottles, pliers, and a hammer, right? Well, its significance is that although this little King Kong is not expensive, it is very comprehensive, with features like waterproofing, a large battery, and durability. Moreover, this phone is Redmi's first with a 4:1 micro-curved screen, which was previously only used in the Xiaomi digital flagship series. This time it's used in the Redmi Note series, marking another instance of high-end quality becoming more accessible. Now, we start the familiar segment, which is cracking walnuts, right? Okay, you see we now place the phone on the walnut and hit it like this, right? It's a small case, even if it's muddy, it's done in one step, right? Oh, isn't it?
Then let's test the drop resistance of this little King Kong, right? You see I'm 1.75 meters tall, and we'll do it from about my height, not even 1 meter, about this position. Then I lift it higher, it's already close to 2 meters, and then we directly drop it to the ground.
Right? Indeed. Then place it face down on the ground.
Right? If you place the screen face down again, you'll feel that having the back facing up is not interesting anymore.
Okay, let's see if the screen is broken, right? Little King Kong quality, of course, doesn't mean this phone will never break, right? Sometimes a fall with the right force can still break it. But relatively speaking, most of the time it's quite drop resistant and won't break the screen from an accidental drop. You see, our frame actually has some dents, right? But the screen is fine, right? Okay, did you get to know this Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, this little King Kong? Now I'm about to go on a business trip to Xinjiang, and tomorrow I will be in Turpan, Xinjiang, to continue testing this little King Kong to see how drop resistant it really is.